So I thought I'd show you my homemade plug welding tool. So I just got a standard pair of grips, and I got some metal plate that already had a hole drilled, which is really handy, and I made it here. On the bottom it also has a T welded on, and the beauty thing about it is that the copper pipe, you just buy a standard fitting from Bunnings, couple of dollars, put it on the end and then squeeze it down and it gives you a new surface. So if the copper ever wears out, you just cut it off and squeeze on a new one. It's really simple to use, and it's great for working on sections like this. So here I've got a hole. If I wanted to plug that up, I simply put them over like this so that it seals the hole, and then you can do a weld straight down onto that, which will then fill up. The copper won't tack to the weld, so you'll just get a nice clean fill that's smooth on the other side. So really easy to make. Go make yourself a pair. How to make your own spot weld pliers. All you need is a pair of grips, old pair's fine, a small copper fitting, like this is a small to large right angle, which I'll be able to flatten and use. A piece of plate like this is pretty thick, this is what you want, and this has already got some holes drilled in it, which is perfect because I'm going to use this section for the pliers. I'm going to just use an angle grinder and a welder.